How to enable or disable high contrast keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management and click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down, and click on high contrast keyboard. So if you want to enable or disable high contrast keyboard, so if you want to enable high contrast keyboard, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see high contrast keyboard is enabled. So if you want to disable high contrast keyboard, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see high contrast keyboard is disabled. So if you want to enable, so turn on this button. So if you want to disable, so turn off this button. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable high contrast keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.